What's up, guys? It's Friday. We just got out of a pass app, and Sangli forgot her hat in the pass app. But still, we're down here at Salu. Yes, we're going to the markets. And you know how much I love the markets. Looks like they have a police checkpoint down there. There's an officer in the middle of the road looking at traffic, randomly pulling people over for violations of some sort. I'm assuming helmets and perhaps having their lights on during the daytime. That's not allowed here, by the way, if you didn't know that. I had a good time yesterday. I saw Thomas, a friend of mine. I haven't seen him in a while. He's busy with his organic farm on the outskirts of Siem Reap. He not only runs it, but he's opening up a teaching center to teach locals, especially young people, about organic farming and different methods than the ways that they're used to utilize their land and their crops. So he's kind of busy, but he stopped in town. Myself, him, and Mark, my buddy from a couple doors down, we sat in the common area and we talked for a few hours out there about, well, everything. And I mean everything. Including whether alien life exists and if it's ever visited Earth. That's a true story. But that's what happens if you mix a few beers in with some foreigners who are just sitting around for a gab. You will have those discussions. But it was a good time. Now that she's done doing whatever it is she was doing, oh, she was getting changed. That's what it was. The tuk-tuk couldn't break our bill, so we had to get some change. So let's see what this market has in store for us this lovely afternoon. It is 92 degrees Fahrenheit for all of my American friends. You all know how much I love the market. I know a lot of people don't like coming down here when it's super busy. So that's actually my favorite time of the day. But unfortunately, I was being lazy. So we decided to wait to come down here later after I took a little nap. That's been my day so far. I got up, had breakfast, watched some YouTube, and fell back asleep while doing so. Gonna have a special video coming up for you guys in a few days. I'm excited for it. I'm not going to give it away now, but it's going to be fun. So hopefully you'll look forward to that. Let's see what we got over here. As soon as I'm sure I can safely pass without getting hit by a motorbike. Oh, she's already passed. Never mind. This is always a nice sight. Peppers for ages. Gotta add a little spice to the food here. I think I've mentioned this before. The food here traditionally is not as spicy as it is in other parts of this part of the world. So usually people will buy their chili separate and just add the spice amount that they like. There are also several restaurants that do really good Thai food here, and they will add all the spices you want. But for the most part, when you go in, you add your own. There we go. Nice looking pork. Let's continue on further while she's doing that. It takes her a while. I appreciate the attention to detail when she's picking out the food, but it doesn't make for a very interesting video. It's the only downside. Got tons of garlic over here, it looks like. And we got sauces. Oils. Spices. All that good stuff. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. All right. Got a nice little food truck there. I really dig those things, man. They got like the whole kitchen, all the food. They use bungee cords to attach little plastic tables and chairs. All on the back of a motorbike. So they can just pull up anywhere and basically have a restaurant. Make some money. Got some squid, oysters, more squid. Sorry about my finger getting in the way there. Here we have some shrimp.
1 kilo $8.
1 kilo $8. There we go. This guy's making waffles. I love them waffles. Hey. Wow, we got some fish here. Look at those big boys right there. Wow, those are big catfish. Those are some big catfish right there. Got a little clothes shop here. We went and had a pizza last night. If you want to see the pictures, they're on my Facebook. This was the first time I've had pizza since I've been here, so it's been more than 2 years since I've had pizza. It was pretty good. We got a medium. It was actually Sanglai's suggestion. She was passing by and she always asks. And I'm just like, no, it's too expensive. They want $5 for a medium pizza at the one we went to. But we decided to stop and it was good. Get more peppers. It was good. It wasn't horrible. It tasted all right. It's also the first time I've had like real cheese since I've been here, which, you know, the melted cheese on the pizza. But it wasn't anything great or spectacular. The thing that killed it for me mainly was the crust. The dough seemed to be a little bit overdone. Had the texture, had a really hard texture like cardboard. It didn't taste like cardboard. It tasted all right. But I'm saying the texture of it, you know, you pick up a slice, the end of it should dip a little bit. There should be some kind of, you know, a little bit of grease on there, but this one didn't bend. And if you try to fold it in half, it just broke. I think it was a little overdone. So I only had the one slice. I let Sanglai eat the rest because it's more her thing. But still, my first pizza in Cambodia. But after I posted it on Facebook, I did get a lot of good suggestions from people about different places where I could find a really good pizza. So in the future, I'll check some of those out and I'll take you guys with me. Maybe we can find the best pizza in Siem Reap. Everybody has opinions. I'll have to do the taste testing myself. And they do have Domino's here. If anybody's wondering, you can get Domino's pizza delivered. So if that's more your style, it's available here. And I'll give that a try also. We're back at the fish. Alright, talk to you in a minute. Alrighty, I had to take my phone out of my gimbal. I didn't bring my backpack, so I couldn't put the food in there. So this portion of the video might be a little jumpy. I'll try to keep it as steady as possible. But anyway, that was our little trip to Salud. Just picked up a few things. Standard rice, meat, vegetables. Now we're in our pass app on the way home. Thought you might enjoy the ride. There's all kinds of little few traffic lights in town. Alright, don't forget to check out all my links down below. I have 30 books I've written, including one about living in Cambodia. If you're interested in knowing more about that process and about certain things about living here, there's a link for that down below. If you want to donate to my beer and education fund, the donate button is down below. But if you really want to get all the good stuff, join my Patreon. I have levels for every available budget, and you will get exclusive videos, pictures, and updates. Also, all the links are down below for other channels that I follow that you should follow also if you like videos about Cambodia. And all my social media is also down there if you want to follow me.